through every open lane. Before resistance can answer, final gear locks into place. Turbines scream through empty lanes and charging machines disappear ahead.
Wild concrete barriers,
Streak behind, vibrating mirrors. Counterfeit records, flood secure terminals, altered timestamps replace verified entries, corrupted archives, display conflicted identities, hidden scripts, rewrite transaction logs without permission, damage scanners misread, authorized credentials, forced access files, pass through inspection gates, static contaminates, encrypted transmissions, duplicate profiles appear beside erase originals, every compromised database produces another false result, while poison information spreads through connected repositories and turns reliable evidence into manufactured digital confusion. Distorted messages into trusted channels, falsified entries, bury authentic records, damaged filters accept fabricated content, corrupted packets multiply through linked databases. Wow, every verification attempt returns unavancing error disguised as legitimate information. Endless summer drive, false records flood the network, corrupted data replaces verified evidence, forged identities, plastic scan static contaminates protected channels, no source remains reliable, no message arrives, it's unchanged, only distortion, deception, noise, alteration, confusion, fabrication, errors and poison information spreading through every connected archive. Security terminals display mismatched names beside fabricated photographs, transmission logs report events that never occurred, alter coordinates, redirect automated tracking software, duplicate credentials, overwrite legitimate profiles, damage recognition engines like innocent entries as hostile, corrupted backups, restore poison versions repeatedly. Each verification process confirms another manufactured falsehood until operators can no longer separate authentic records from carefully disguised digital contamination. Nation buried throughout every protected repository. No trusted database offers certain now, no verified channel delivers clean evidence. Manipulated entries imitate authentic sources while hidden interference changes every transfer, leaving operators trapped between conflict and records and fabricated false records flood the network, corrupted data replaces verified evidence, forged identities pass every scanner, static contaminates protected channels, no source remains reliable, no message arrives unchanged, only distortion, deception, noise, alteration, confusion, fabrication, errors and poisoned information spreading through every connected, spreading through every connected.
final verification screens, return conflicting answers, corrupted backups, reload fabricated records, and every protected terminal displays another version of manufactured truth.
Yeah, turbine chamber shake beneath punishing demand, cooling fans grind against blistering temperatures, compressor housings warp aside, overloaded bearings, pressure valves hammer without relief, scorch manifolds, deep burning vapor, hydraulic seals swell near bursting points, warning lamps strobe above exhausted machinery, lubricant boils inside fractured casings, every rotating assembly absorbs heaviest strain, every overloaded component approaches catastrophic mechanical failure through relentless thermal stress and accumulated fatigue. Blazing pressure fills each chamber, exhausting machinery rejects recovery, warning sirens pierce grinding, vibration mechanical strain intensifies, while every flashing indicator marks another component approaching total failure beneath unbearable load. Fresh air hits, break the limit, crush resistance, drive through the overloaded danger zone, tear apart every failing component, let the pressure strike hard, let the warning lights flash fast, no cool down, no mercy, only heat, stress, sparks, impact, friction, smoke, overload and destruction. Warp turbine blades scrape against cracked housing, seize bearings, throw fragments through dense vapor, cooling ducts choke beneath scorching exhaust, damaged pistons hammer inside distorted cylinders, ruptured seal spray lubricant onto blazing surfaces, exhausted motors shudder under maximum demand, each mechanical failure failure burdens another weekend assembly until the entire installation tears itself apart beneath unbearable strain and accumulated fatigue. No reserve remains inside these machines. No cooling process restores stability. Overloaded components grind towards seizure while mounting thermal stress pushes every damaged assembly beyond its final operating capacity. Break the limit, crush resistance, drive through the overloaded danger zone, tear apart every failing component. Let the pressure strike hard, let the warning lights flash fast. No cool down, no mercy, only heat, stress, sparks, impact, friction, smoke, overload, and destruction. Final warning, lamps flicker out, exhausting machinery. Blocks beneath, crushing demand while accumulated strain destroys every remaining component beyond repair. Freight platforms split beneath suspended machinery. Concrete braces cracked aside, collapsing elevator shafts. Anchor bolts tear free from fractured columns. Stair towers buckle over open voids. Rebar whips to fallen dust. Suspended walkways tilt toward black gaps. Glass partitions burst into jagged fragments. Steel gray slide from broken mounts. Every impact drags another span downward until the entire interior folds into crushing layers of rubble beneath twisted overhead decks. Dust surges through torn chambers, fractured supports, grown beneath shifting weight, shattered flooring drops without warning. Loose beams swing over exposed voids, and each violent tremor drives the remaining structural damage. Midnight cool rush, break the brace, crush the foundation, drive through the fallen wreck, tear past every fracture. Support, let the ceiling crash hard, let the pillars snap fast. No shelter, no retreat, only rubble, steel, impact, rupture, collapse, dust, smoke, destruction, and concrete raining through the void below. Service bridges shear away from corroded mounts. Elevator rails twist beside collapsing shafts. Ceiling panels cascade over shattered consoles. Cracked columns lean into narrow corridors. Loose cables lash above buried exits. Heavy slabs slam through maintenance floors. Each fresh fracture pulls another section loose until the entire complex sinks beneath concrete. Sparks, twisted metal, choking debris, crushed stairwells, broken ducts, buckling roof trusses, and ruined utility bays. No stable ground remains below. No clear passage survives ahead. Boots strike loose stone, palms scrape jagged rails. The air thickens with dust, while every surviving wall bends toward another brutal failure under repeated shocks and falling waves.